Hello, everybody. I am Rachel Hall-Shalakta, your instructor. Just want to go through what is happening with our Math Rise program, our transition math. So, as you can see, I've been working with Demelza. And how this will begin is that we have three tiers. The first tier is general math. The second tier is basically I could consider a pre-algebra class. And the third tier is definitely algebra that I know many of you will need for your upcoming major. So again, as I said, it's been working with Demelza, but what you're going to do is you're going to start off with a diagnostic test. Now, your test is going to be slightly different than Demelza because you're going to have, instead of pass, it's going to say skip. And what they had found is that a lot of times people don't get the first two or they freeze. And once they get into the test, then they know it. So again, it won't say pass, it will say skip, and you can save and close. So let me get back. Now, as I said, Demelza had taken whole numbers, and as I said, this was really her weak spot. As you can see from the colored blocks, red indicates that she was not ready. She scored less than 50 in rounding and comparing. Her yellow means she scored between 50 and 99 for a place value. She did very well with exponents and square roots. Geometry, did a great job with triangles, but not so much with perimeter and area. So the green means that she got 100. She definitely has this down. The green with the white square means that many things, because each block represents a subtopic, were not tested. However, she was able to do well. So I'm going to click on the geometry. You can also click on the word study paths as well. So here you go. You have just about 3 hours left. I'm not worried about anything with a question mark or that says mastered. I'm worried about the not ready part. So if I go into perimeter, I'm just going to go over here to learn. And what I like is they have many resources for you to understand the topic. But right now, we're just going to go in to study this resource. There will be a warm-up, a presentation, a worked example. The worked examples are from Khan Academy. They are videos. What I like about them is you can always go back and view them over and over again if there's something you don't understand. Topic text is kind of like a cheat sheet, some practice on your computer as well as review. So right now, let me go back into study path. And as you can see, once she finishes with her study path, she takes her test. Hopefully, she will be doing well with the test, and then she can go on, finish out the unit, and with the next unit, then she can go, to the subsequent tiers. So right now, she has a 68, and she has to finish everything up. We started with this. Again, this is going to be the equivalent of a pre-algebra class, and I definitely feel Tier 3 is the equivalent to an algebra class. After you finish each tier, you take a diagnostic test. Hopefully that as time goes by, there'll be things that you may remember from when you were in school, and you will not have to study as hard or review as much. Some people did very well in just basic understanding, but perhaps they didn't have algebra, and that's when they need a little extra help. I don't want you to be a stranger. I am willing to work with you one-on-one. We can arrange for virtual studies. I can send you videos. Please use me as a resource. I look forward to working with you.